My name's Daniel Bustillos, and I'm the facilities manager here at Law Business Research. I've been here about 7 months now. The network was quite strange in how it was set up, and it wasn't fully managed properly by our old service provider. We had a lot of issues with outages. Randomly, a phone would ring, and the entire network would drop.
I'm Anish Patel. I'm the service manager for Law Business Research. Law Business Research came to us because they were having problems with their incumbent supplier. They had lots of problems with their IT. The service was very slow. What we did was we took over the service as is, and we had a migration plan to move all their physical hardware to a brand new virtualized platform. We did that over the space of one weekend.
One of the first projects we did with Transputec was actually migrating and upgrading our network to new hardware. But I think the key bit for me was how that integration happened. It was kind of a partnership between the two of us, and they made sure that we knew exactly what we were using our services for so they could build the right solution for us. Today, I make a phone call, it's dealt with on that call, and it's sorted right then, and that's the same for my users as well. Transputec basically took our network as it was, and they've been working on it since then, and we've had several cases that just because the way an account was set up previously or the way that our servers were set up previously, that they've had to do some real work to make it work the way that it should and the way that it was designed, and make sure that it's working the way that we need it to. It's all run by Transputec. I manage the Transputec contract, and I have a bit of technical understanding, but really I push everything to them and their help desk. Quite often we had an issue just last week that we were having some issues with our VPN, and it was 10 o'clock at night. I was on the phone with the help desk trying to figure out what the issue was and making sure that it was going to get resolved right then, which about 10 minutes later it was. Alternatively, I've had issues on the weekend with email. Sunday morning, 7 a.m., make a phone call, and they get working on it, and it's done right then. The staff that I work with is very knowledgeable, and they're able to sort my issues out when I call them, even when I've caused them myself.